Managing tasks alone isn't enough anymore. Many organizations are missing critical insight into resources, margins, and forecasting. Welcome back to One Question, Real Answer, where we endeavor to give you the straight facts about what we're seeing in the market, in collaboration, of course, with our friends at Microsoft. I'm Stefanie Richter from sa.global, joined by Harshitha Varanasi from Microsoft and also Jen Holman from sa.global. Today's question is, why is project operations becoming the platform so many organizations are looking at as a replacement for project online? Harshitha, why is ProjOps the natural next step?
Great question, Stephanie. This comes up in nearly every conversation that we are having regarding project online migrations. So what we are seeing is that organizations have outgrown the basic project tracking. They now need a platform that reflects how projects actually run the business today. Leaders aren't just asking, are we on schedule? They are asking, are we profitable? Are we staffed correctly? Are we delivering what we sold, right? So that's where project operations changes that conversation. It brings project planning, resource management, expense and time tracking, and financials on a single connected system. So when customers ask why project operation, I think the answer comes to three things, right? So the first is it supports that full end-to-end project lifecycle from planning to tracking. And then second is the connected decision making, real-time visibility into delivery, resourcing, financial impact as work happens and not after the fact, right? And the third is the future-ready platform built on Dataverse Power Platform. It's designed to extend, automate, and evolve as the businesses grow. So that's why project operation isn't just a replacement for project online, it's a step forward. It aligns the project delivery with how modern organizations operate and how they make decisions.
I think I couldn't agree more, Harshitha, with that. And we see that over and over based on that task level project management just simply doesn't tell leadership how well the business is performing. One of our architecture clients came to us confident with their delivery model. Schedules looked fine, but once they stood up project operations, they immediately were able to expose that there was a mismatch in that demand capacity. Project managers are used to having the same people on their projects and having that wealth of knowledge in terms of roles and people that are in there. But once you put it into a solution, they were very easily able to see that their senior staff was being underutilized, protected overall, but they were the ones that had these large incentives. Meanwhile, the smaller projects were being overloaded with team members and ultimately driving margin leakage. So with project operations, with it being able to connect things like resource planning, actuals, the forecast, and then the financial impact, it gave them visibility in real time, which then allows the project manager and project managers and leadership to really make those informed decisions.
Yeah, so the takeaway for me here is it's not just about managing the task, it's about managing projects as part of the business ecosystem. What stands out from both of your perspectives to me is that the conversation is really shifting from simply managing project schedules to managing that full life cycle of project delivery. So Microsoft is building a platform that connects projects to collaboration tools, financial systems, operational data. And as Jen highlighted, that visibility into utilization and performance is exactly what project-based organizations need to run more effectively. So in our next video, we're going to dive into one of the biggest operational challenges that firms face, resource visibility and utilization. So we hope you'll join us next time on One Question, Real Answer.